Hello friends, today we will talk about animals. Vertebrate animals. Vertebrates are animals that have an articulated internal skeleton. This skeleton supports the body and allows it to move. Hello friends, today we will talk about animals. Vertebrate animals. Vertebrate animals are classified into the following 5 groups: mammals, like the horse or human beings; amphibians, like the frog; birds, like the eagle; fish, like salmon; reptiles, like the turtle or the snake. Today we are going to talk about another group of vertebrate animals, mammals. They are viviparous animals, that is, they are born from their mother's womb. Mothers have mammary glands that give milk to feed their young. Inside their mouth they have teeth to chew food. Mammals breathe through the lungs. They are warm-blooded animals, and most have their bodies covered with hair. They can live on land and water, and they can fly. And now, a few curiosities about mammals. The largest mammal is the blue whale, which can reach 30 meters in length, a little larger than a basketball court. The horse is another mammal. Did you know that its teeth do not stop growing throughout its life? And here you have another mammal, it's me. Humans are also mammals. Mammal animals, according to their diet, are classified as herbivores, like the zebra or the cow. They eat only vegetables. Omnivores, like the baboon or the pig. They eat both vegetables and other animals or insects. Carnivores, like the lion or the tiger. They feed on other animals. Today we are going to talk about another group of vertebrate animals, birds. Birds are oviparous animals, that is, they are born from eggs. They walk on 2 legs and have 2 wings that allow them to fly. Although there are some birds like the ostrich or the penguin that do not fly, even though they have wings. The skeleton of birds is very light since the bones are hollow. Birds breathe through their lungs and are warm-blooded animals. They feed through their beaks, and their bodies are covered in feathers. Did you know that the heaviest bird in the world is the ostrich? No wonder they can't fly. Hello, how are you? I'm going to talk about another group of vertebrates. Fish. Fish are aquatic animals that can live in fresh or salt water. These are oviparous, that is, they are born from eggs. They have fins to move through the water, and their body ends in a tail that helps them swim. As you see, its body is full of scales. As they are aquatic animals, they breathe through their gills. Fish are cold-blooded animals, that is, their body temperature varies depending on the ambient temperature. And they have the simplest skeleton of all vertebrates. Well, today I come to talk to you about another group of vertebrate animals. The amphibians. Amphibians are oviparous animals, that is, they are born from eggs. The young are born in water and breathe through gills. When they grow they can live both in water and on land. And they breathe through their lungs and skin. Their skin is moist and they have no hair. They are cold-blooded animals, that is, their body temperature varies depending on the ambient temperature. Did you know that amphibians are the only vertebrates that have a tail at birth and live in water? When they grow older, they grow full legs and live on land. This change is known as metamorphosis. This has been all about amphibians. Hello friends, today we will learn about another group of vertebrate animals. We will talk about reptiles. Reptiles are oviparous animals, that is, they are born from eggs. Their body is full of hard scales, and their legs are very short and some even have none, like snakes. Some reptiles have shells, like turtles. They are cold-blooded animals, meaning their body temperature varies depending on the ambient temperature. They breathe through their lungs. They usually live in warm places, and it is difficult to see them during the winter. Did you know that reptiles are the animals that live the longest? Some, like turtles, can live 100 years. This has been all about reptiles. Friends, and I hope you liked it.
Give it to me like